Hello and welcome to Chemistry Nuggets, where you can polish your knowledge and clear the friends. Today's video is question number 2.34 from NCERT textbook class 11 and the chapter name is Structure of Atom. So let's check the question. Calculate the energy required for the process He plus, it gives He2 plus E minus. The ionization energy of hydrogen atom in the ground state is 2.18 into 10 to the power minus 18 joule per atom. So here in this given reaction they are showing that helium ion gives helium 2 plus ion and 1 electron. It means there is a removal of electron. In this case the N final will be infinity, because if there is a nucleus and electron is here, and if electron is going out something beyond infinity or the last, it is called infinity. So from ground state to infinity, it's removal of electron. So N final will be infinity and N initial means the starting state of the electron will be 1. Now for moving electron, the energy difference we need to calculate. The formula is del E is equal to minus 2.18 into 10 to the power minus 18 in bracket 1 upon N final square minus 1 upon N initial square Z square joule. Now substituting the values in the formula, minus 2.18 into 10 to the power minus 18. Now in place of 1 upon N final square, we will put 1 upon infinity square minus 1 upon N initial, it means 1 square, and Z is the atomic number. For helium atomic number is 2. Remember this point, 2 square. Now minus 2.18 into 10 to the power minus 18. 1 upon infinity means 0. So we can write here 0, and 1 upon 1 square means 1 upon 1, and we can write it 0 minus 1. 2 square means 4 joule. Now what we'll get here? Minus 2.18 into 10 to the power 18. Now 0 minus 1, it become minus 1 and multiplied by 4 and joule. So let's calculate all. 4 ones are 4, then again 4 into 2.18, it become 4 8s are 32, 4 is 4, 5 6 7, 4 2s are 8, multiplied by 10 to the power minus 18 and joule. Minus multiplied by minus will become plus. So this will be the energy required to ionize helium ion to helium 2 plus ion. So friends, that's all for today. Very easy calculation directly based on the formula. So friends, keep on watching the channel and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Till then, thank you.